If you're running an HP latex printer, you already know how powerful these machines are. But what a lot of print shops don't realize is that HP PrintOS Production Hub can make those printers even easier to manage and more productive. Today I want to walk you through 5 tools inside Production Hub that can really make a difference in your workflow. And while we go through them, we'll show you exactly how they work. First up is real-time print monitoring. Inside Production Hub, you can see the status of every connected printer in your shop all on one dashboard. You can quickly check what's printing, what's queued up next, and whether a printer is in idle. That means instead of walking the floor to check on everything, you can see your entire production status in seconds. The second tool is remote queue control. From the dashboard, you can pause jobs, cancel prints, or move jobs up in the queue. So if a rush job comes in, or if something needs to be stopped, you can stop and make that change instantly without disrupting your entire workflow. Another really valuable tool is the job history and production analytics. Production Hub keeps track of your jobs, media usage, and ink consumption. That gives you real data to help understand production costs, monitor efficiency, and make better decisions about pricing and scheduling. If you're wondering how to control the cost of your prints, the cost assignment tool within this tab of Production Hub lets you assign material and ink costs so you can calculate the true cost of every job. Next up, smart alerts. Production Hub can send notifications when something needs attention. Things like low ink levels, job interruptions, or potential print issues. That way you can catch small problems early before they slow down your production. And finally, workflow automation. Production Hub can help connect order intake, pre-press checks, and printing into a more streamlined process. That means fewer steps, fewer errors, and faster turnaround times for your customers. If you're running HP latex printers, HP PrintOS Production Hub is one of the easiest ways to get more efficiency out of your shop. And if you want to find out how it will make a difference in your shop, the team at LexJet is here to help.